Getting out to the other side of Okinawa. We're not actually in the middle of Okinawa Island, mainland. So we're crossing from one coastal road to the another
Central
coastal
pa na
road.
tayo? Central Okinawa?
Yep.
Mountainous area to. Oh.
Yeah. We crossed from one coastal road to the other end of the island. So we're going
Kona
to
is left.
Nanjikin.
Alam ko Nago tayo. Nago ba?
Nago. We're already in Nago.
Okay.
We're inside Nago already.
Right tayo, di ba? O, nakalagay oh.
Right. Stay here. There.
Okay, right.
Yep. Follow the
Sunod na tayo dito.
follow the one who's turning right. 70 meters.
Okay, folks.
Funny, may yung vlogger, it was may storm eh. So they moved from the other end of the island. They crossed here kasi mas doon man yung direction ng storm.
Parang pwede yung cover sa storm ko eh.
Kasi mountain range man siya.
Ha?
Mountain range man siya. So yung doon galing ang storm. They transferred from one end to the other end to avoid the storm.
Ito ba destination to? 8 minutes
Yeah, 8 minutes na. 5 kilometers. So this is the other side.
Okay, straight ahead ah. Turn left? Left tayo no?
Leftmost. Ito ka.
Left na tayo.
Yeah. Okay. 80, 70,
Ito to.
50, 40. Here.
Ito nga, pasok tayo.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. 7 minutes na lang.